What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this wine appellation located near Carcasson in the Languedoc-Roussillon wine region to the south of France. This is a little bit inland for the Languedoc-Roussillon. It's not on the coast. The grape varieties here are both the Bordeaux grapes, such as merlot, cabernet franc and cabernet sauvignon, but also the Mediterranean grape varieties, such as grenache and syrah. Cabardès is particularly famous for its red wine. So how do you go about pronouncing this with the typical French pronunciation, Cabardès? The wines from Cabardès. It'd be fine in English to say Cabardès. Cabardès. In French again, Cabardès. Cabardès. If you'd like to learn more about the wines from Languedoc-Roussillon, the French wines from this beautiful sunny area, here are videos that you may want to watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine pronunciation. Au revoir.